Why do some people claim Agile software delivers up to twice the work in half the time, saves startups from bankruptcy, and makes corporations more productive? Is Agile transformation difficult? Throughout this course, we will cover as many details as we can about Agile software development and work our way through the stages you'll have to go through to transform your company or the people around you into Agile software development users. Unlike any other courses around these days that advertise for one specific methodology or approach, this course is going to analyze Agile software development as a whole and explain it from a neutral perspective, so that you are able to choose whatever suits you the most depending on the nature of your company. This course is mainly targeting the following people: project managers or business analysts thinking of making the move into the Agile world, entrepreneurs and business owners wondering what this whole Agile thing is all about and if it will really make a difference, aspiring Scrum Masters and product owners who don't know where to start and want to understand the big picture first, just as I did in my journey, development team members who have never worked in an Agile environment before and perhaps want to experience work differently, freelancers who have been facing problems with clients and workflow and want to make things more organized. Please note that if you are an experienced Agile professional, this course is not for you. By the end of this course, we will have understood the need for Agile software and learned how to transform our companies on our own, or at least take significant steps towards it. We will first make sure we understand what Agile software means, together with its values and principles. We will then look at some popular Agile approaches and concepts alongside several popular practices. The last section of this course will be about Agile transformation and how you could go Agile on your own. This is an intensive introductory course made easy and simple. I'm Omar Barakat, your instructor for this course. I'm an Agile and Scrum Trainer, Scrum Master, and Agile Business Analyst with extensive and proven experience in all of them. I have directly taught people from 11 countries in 5 continents throughout my 5-year-long journey as a trainer/instructor. I have helped companies transform into solid Agile and Scrum implementers, teams become self-organizing, high-performing, and self-propelled. I have also delivered multiple critical projects with maximum quality in very short time frames. I also hold the Professional Scrum Master Certificate from scrum.org.